Balaji. Friends, today we are going to discuss about an important issue, an attack on Tirumala Tirupati temple, which is holy for millions and millions of people around the world, for all the Sanatana Dharmis. Okay, and this attack is being instigated by the sitting Chief Minister of Andhra, Jagan Mohan Reddy, and the Christian missionary goons who support him around. See, the issue is this. You can see here the bus ticket. There is a special bus that goes from Tirumala, which is our Tirupati temple, and Tirupati temple is up on the 7 hills. Okay, if you have never gone there. And there is a bus that shuttles very frequently. And this bus ticket on the back is printed with Christian missionary slokas and also about the holy place of Jerusalem and how they can provide a very affordable ticket if one wants to go to Jerusalem. This is an attack on Sanatana Dharmis. Why? Because they know millions and millions of people go on a daily basis to have darshan of Balaji. Okay, and why on that ticket on the back, why the Christian propaganda is about? This is about secularism of India? We want to ask you, Jagan Mohan Reddy, you never got chosen last election and you got beaten up badly in the election by the people of Andhra because of your this Christianization background. But you know what? Chandrababu turned out to be a bigger goon, because of which people gave you a chance, and you are here abusing Hindus. I just want to say you something. Okay, see your police here, how they are going inside the temple and attacking the devotees. Is that is a right thing to do? What is the purpose for the police to go in? Okay, first of all, why there is a Christian propaganda? This is our question to you, Jagan Mohan Reddy. Why there is a Christian propaganda on the back of the ticket? Okay, who gave you permission to do it? Number 2, okay, all the visitors are being, all the devotees are being bussed from down hills to up hills. Why? This is a holy site of Hindus. Balaji believing person should only allowed to as a bus driver and a conductor. Why not? Because it is going to the holy site. Because these guys are allowing Christian propaganda inside the bus, Christian propaganda inside behind the ticket. What are you doing? Okay, and your police inside. Why only not the Hindu polices are not allowed inside the temple? I am saying you, this is happening around India, wherever you go. They are bringing in people, police with no belief on God, with no belief on Sanatana Dharma. They are bringing Christians, they are bringing jihadi groups inside, and they come inside with the shoes. Is that what our temple is all about? I know the Zomato guy was talking about. Food doesn't have religion, so that we cannot fast. Okay, I want to ask Jagan Mohan Reddy and other guys who do this, purposefully as an attack on Sanatana Dharmis. Does our temple have religion, or that also doesn't have religion in your eyes? Only your Jerusalem has the religion. I just want to ask you a question. Hope you will be man enough to get up and answer it. Okay, you know what? Keep in mind, Chandrababu Naidu was looting the temple. That's why he has been thrown away like nobody. And your dad, Rajashekar Reddy, was doing the similar kind of attack on Tirumala, Tirupati, by instigating the people to distribute pamphlets and also, illegally occupying the land of Tirupati Balaji to build church up hills. And you know what happened to him? The moment he started doing it, the moment the devotees started fighting against him, he was gone in the flight crash. Hope you remember that. You play with anybody, not with Tirupati Balaji. I just want to warn you, because you are a young guy, you have a lot of politics in front of you. Be good. You are playing with, you are acting with all the, acting inside the Tirumala, to come in without signaturing that you are a Christian, violating the rule just because you want to have the control of the temple. Why do you want to have the control? Because all the devotees are coming and putting the money in the hundi. And guess what? You want to control the hundi so that you can use that money for conversion and your junk trip that you made with your family and friends to Jerusalem. Is that what Tirupati Hundi is all about? I will request all the devotees, you should boycott. You should boycott putting money on the hundi, because your money going into the hundi is not going to our temple. Your money going into the hundi is not going to the welfare of our Sanatana Dharmis. It is going for conversion. It is going for all the activities, illegal activities against our Sanatana Dharmis and our core values. So I will request you from Bharat Marg that never, 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 ever put money in the hundi, because that means you are fueling you are providing money. Whenever you are putting money in the hundi, remember, you are fueling and you are supporting the anti-Hindu activities. Instead of that, find some good cause supported by our Sanatana Dharmis. Investigate if they are good. Find some poor people, feed them. Don't put the money. Don't ever put the money in the hundi of the temples, because it doesn't go there. Many priests are dying without getting any income. Support them. Many people who are sweeping the temples are not getting paid. They are just eating one-time food and serving our temple. Support them. Many people are sitting in front of, all the handicapped people sitting in front of the temple, thinking one of these days they will be blessed. You be that blessing and support them. Never into the hundi, and never support the guys like anti-Hindu Prabhahandas of Jagan Mohan Reddy kind of guys. We will condemn it from Bharat Marg that this anti-Hindu effort cannot go on, and this shall stop, Jagan Mohan Reddy. Otherwise you will see a bigger revolution happening in Andhra. Devotees are upset and Balaji will be upset. Your dad, you don't dare to forget what happened to your dad. Okay? When he played with Tirupati Devasthanam and the hundi money and the lands of Tirupati. Okay? Hope you wake up and smell the coffee and do the right thing for the people. Okay? Jai Balaji.